Hello and welcome to my QA Automation Bootcamp. My name is Armas Kung Fu and I'm a senior software engineer in test. I created this bootcamp with one goal in mind, to give you the skills and confidence you need to get a career in QA automation. It's an amazing career in the tech world. About a decade ago, I took a short training just like this one, which completely changed the trajectory of my career. And since then, this was in 2013, I've been doing automation and I've been loving it. It's an awesome career. And now I'm actually helping other people do the same thing by giving them a real hands-on experience and teaching them everything they need to know from scratch. So why QA automation? Because it is a great way to enter and grow in the software world. It's a great career with a great pay and a great life-work balance. Once you break in as an automation engineer, the potential for growth is really unlimited. You can take your career in so many directions, and that is a huge advantage. As long as software is being built, it will need to be tested. So this career is going to be around for a very long time. In these days, companies are phasing out manual jobs and replacing them with automation engineering jobs. When you search for jobs, even the job posts for manual positions are saying they want automation skills. So that shows you how much the market needs automation testers. This bootcamp is 100% focused on job readiness, teaching you the skills that are in demand in the current job market. Working on projects that are realistic and that will prepare you to the real world jobs. Very similar to the stuff you'll be doing in the actual jobs. The way I designed this bootcamp is not just to teach you testing or QA. It's actually to give you an overall experience of software engineering. So you become a well-rounded automation engineer by the end. On this page, there's a lot of detail about the bootcamp. I try to answer a lot of the questions you might have, but you still might have more questions. So there's a section on how to contact me. There is a phone number you can call or text. There is a contact form. There's an email address. You can just email me. Or you can attend one of the open house, like office hours that I'm going to have. All of that will be listed on the page. So feel free to hit me up, contact me, ask any questions. When you take action and you register, right away I'm going to invite you to a one-on-one orientation. So it's just going to be you and I getting you started. I'll give you access to all the material you need. I'll guide you on how to start. And I'm just going to give you an orientation how to start. And a huge advantage in getting started. Even though the bootcamp starts later on in January, as soon as you make a decision, you should start, because you're going to learn how to code, and coding is like a sport. The longer you practice, the better you become. So if you start early, when the bootcamp, the live sessions start, you're already ahead of the curve and things will go a lot smoother for you. So there's no reason for you to wait until the bootcamp starts. If you can afford the time, go ahead and get started. Let's have a one-on-one chat and get you started, okay? Go ahead and explore this page. There's a lot of detail about the bootcamp, about what you're going to learn. There are a couple of other videos that will explain more things in detail. There's a video in the curriculum, what we're actually going to learn. So make sure you watch those. You basically just, look through the entire page, understand what you're going to gain from this. It's a lot of great material. This is very much hands-on, real life, realistic experience. I'm teaching you everything I do. I still have a job. I still work. I've been doing it for 11 years and I'm just teaching you what I do on the daily basis. I work for a Silicon Valley company. All the technology I'm going to teach you is the latest and greatest. And don't hesitate to contact me. My contact information is on the page. Feel free to hit me up anytime you have any questions. All right.